Stop scrolling. What if I told you there's a fruit hiding in your kitchen that can burn fat, boost your mood, clear your skin, and even fight disease? And no, it's not magic, it's lemon. Today, I'm going to give you 5 mind-blowing reasons why you need to eat lemon or drink lemon water every single day. You'll never look at this sour little fruit the same way again. 5 reasons you should eat lemons daily. Reason 1. Natural detox machine ***. Host. Lemon water is like a mini spa for your insides. It flushes out toxins and keeps your liver squeaky clean. Imagine your body pressing the refresh button. That's what lemon does. 2. Boosts immunity like a boss. Think vitamin C but on steroids. 1 lemon packs over 50% of your daily vitamin C needs. Goodbye sniffles, hello superhero immune system. 3. Glows your skin naturally. Want that flawless, glowing, glass skin look? Lemon helps fight acne, fades blemishes, and reduces wrinkles from the inside out. Who needs filters when you've got citrus? 4. Speeds up fat burning. Lemon activates digestion and metabolism, which means your body starts torching fat like a furnace. Want to drop that belly bloat? This is your new morning ritual. 5. Mood booster and brain energizer. Feeling foggy or moody? The scent and nutrients in lemon actually stimulate your brain, lifting your mood and waking up your focus naturally. So, next time life gives you lemons, don't just make lemonade, make a healthier, happier you. Try drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning for 7 days, and let me know how you feel. If this blew your mind even a little, hit that like button, subscribe for more health hacks, and drop a lemon emoji in the comments if you're starting tomorrow.